Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn on live voicemail on iPhone on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn on the live voicemail on the iPhone on iOS 17 in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the settings application, and once you're already here, let's go ahead and scroll to the phone app. That should be right here, so just tap on phone, and let's go on over to the voicemail options. So you could actually go ahead and see the options over here. You could see the announcing calls, your number, and a lot of different options as well. But of course, the live voicemail option should be located over here under your calls. So all we need to do is to locate where that option is, and it should be located somewhere over here. Now, since I'm using a lower edition iPhone, it's not necessarily showing that option onto mine right here just yet. So if you are using the newer edition iPhones like the new iPhone 12, 13, 14, or 15, you should have that option showing over here, and all we need to do to enable this is just tap on live voicemail and then set it on off. Now that's all for this video, guys. I'm pretty sorry if I can't really show you that option on my device since I'm just using a lower edition iPhone, but for those who are using those new ones, it's going to be located right here, so go ahead and try this out yourselves, and you should see it right there. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.